I usually do short videos, but today is going to be a 10-minute scalp massage. So let's just get straight into it. Just a reminder that we are moving the scalp up and down, side to side in circles. We are not moving the hair like this. We don't want this mess. Taking our fingertips, light pressure, moving the scalp itself. We're just gonna start by light taps, tap, tap, tap on the top, the sides, the back, and down behind the neck. And we're gonna do that 2 more times. So tap, light taps, sides, back and down. 1 more time. Top, sides, back, and down. We're gonna massage the hairline now. We're gonna do the temples here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Here at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're just gonna do light little taps along the hairline. Remember to take deep breaths in and out. Relax the shoulders and just keep it light, and don't forget to breathe, okay? I'm guilty sometimes as well. I'll get tense, I'll forget to breathe, and especially recording these videos, it's hard to talk and breathe and massage and do all those things at the same time. But I will be reminding you along the way. And that squeaky sound is my chair. I had to buy the squeakiest chair so you can hear it and know that I'm sitting on a chair. So from the hairline, we're gonna go to the sides of the scalp. So we're gonna use our palms to help ease the tension in the fingertips. So palms against the scalp like this, and we're gonna move up and down, up, down, up, down, up, down, circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now we're gonna shake it up and down. Breathe and relax the shoulders. Just shake up the scalp here on the sides. Now we're gonna go behind the ears here, right on the scalp behind the ears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we're gonna shake it up. Just shake, 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 breathe, relax your shoulders, and done. It's normal to get a little hot, feel a little tingly. We are stimulating the scalp, which increases blood flow. So feeling hot, feeling tingly, it is normal. We're gonna go to the top middle of the scalp here. Circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That one's a little more tight up here for me. Moving to the back of the scalp here at the top, middle, we're gonna do 10 circles. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, breathe, 5, 6, chin up, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're gonna shake that up and down, up and down. It's a little squishy back here, so it's easier to move around. Up and down. Remember, we're not scratching the scalp. we are keeping our fingertips, firm on the scalp and just moving the skin up and down. Using our fingertips for the back of the middle of the scalp, we're gonna do 10 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we're gonna move to the outer corners of the back of the scalp here in the back. So let's do on both sides at the same time, 10 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, breathe, 9, 10, and reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. If my shoulders are burning, I know that your shoulders are probably burning. So let's just shake it up a little bit, squeeze it out, deep breath in and out. In and out. Okay, I'm feeling a little hot. Now I just want to shake out my hands. If you want to join me, just loosen that up a little bit. Let's get back into this work. Okay, we are almost done. Now, where the squishy part at the bottom of the scalp here, right above the neck, we're gonna do 10 circles there, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, breathe, 9, 10, and reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're just gonna run our fingers through our hair like this. We're reaching the end of the massage. We just want to stimulate the scalp, any places that we missed, just to, add some pressure against the scalp here. And it feels really good. Now we want to shake up the scalp, move it up and down. The skin of the scalp, move the skin up and down. Okay, just shake it up. Shake, shake, shake. I like to end it with taps on the scalp here. And we're gonna go to the bottom. And I really like to get it behind the neck, the sides, and down. I repeat this daily for optimal results. I have short routines on my TikTok as well if you want to go over and visit those. They're all in different playlists, but I like to post my long form scalp massages on my YouTube page. I know that I need to provide more on here. I hope you enjoyed this longer scalp massage today. Please repeat every single day or 4 to 5 times a week for optimal results. Remember, it's about blood flow. It's about stimulating that scalp. It's about nourishing the scalp, nurturing your crown. And stimulating blood flow helps with hair growth, hair health, and so much more in the body. Be patient and be consistent. Your hair health is a system. Not only is it about external care, it's about internal care. Everything plays a part. Everything is connected. So be sure that you're taking care of every aspect when it comes to hair care and your health in general. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.